Welcome back. It is time for another quick bite with Hy-Vee Dietitian Kaiti George.
Well, hello. We are going to do an incredibly simple recipe today, and what we are going to do is I'm really thinking about summer, and I'm really thinking about snacks. And so we are going to make a very simple yogurt popsicle and kind of craft as well, right?
I know, we got the popsicle sticks, the Dixie cups.
Tim would love it, right?
Yes.
So first off, we're going to want to get some Dixie cups because this is going to be the basis of our popsicle. So typically you're just going to want to line a cookie sheet with a few of them, just set a few of them out. Our main ingredient here is going to be yogurt. So I have chose a Chobani Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt does have just a little bit more protein, a little bit less sugar, and so it just tends to be a little bit healthier in regards to the base of our popsicle. So I've taken an entire large container and put it in the bowl. Sweetness is going to be per your discretion. So I say the Greek yogurt has a little bit less sugar, a little bit more protein, and here we are going to add some honey to it if you want to sweeten it up. I am fine without adding some additional honey to it, but some kids just think that it just needs a little bit of sweetness to it. So I would say 1 or 2 tablespoons typically is going to do it. And like I said, you don't need it at all if you don't want to, but per your discretion for sure. And simply from here, we're just going to stir that up. So really, really, really simple to do. You could actually probably even do it in there and not mess up another bowl. So this is when you get to decide and have kids or adults, your choice, kind of personalize the popsicle. So we're just going to put the base of our yogurt into the cup, and it just works easy if you use an ice cream scoop, and fill it as little or as much as you want, and you want to shake it down so that it's as even as possible. And
we're save a little room.
Yes, for some topping for sure. So we're going to do just this a couple times, and then this is when you get to personalize it with many options, and so you can make it very fun. So I'm just going to make a couple of those. So from here, we're going to grab our popsicle stick. And I have a little bit of options that you can put on top. So berries, chocolate chips, mini chocolate chips, or pistachios. And so if you're making these with children, like, let them make their own because they become invested in it.
That's so fun.
And then they can write their name on their cup so that they remember whose is whose. So for here, I'm just going to add a little bit of blueberries and blackberries. And why not add a little bit of chocolate too?
Why not?
And so instead of just letting it sit on top, you're actually going to want to take your popsicle stick and really just kind of stir it in so that it is distributed throughout. So it almost looks like a little bit of a yogurt parfait, and then your popsicle stick, which is also your stirrer, just goes right in.
Right in the middle.
And that is that. You can, again, customize it. Here are some pistachios. I'm just going to put some lightly salted pistachios and maybe some more chocolate chips in, and sprinkle. If you want to do the stirring, you can stir it for me. And then from here, you freeze it for about 4 to 6 hours. And they are going to come out exactly like this. I know, very delightful. So you take this, and once they're frozen, you actually just tear the paper away. It doesn't really loosen very well, but you can just tear it away. Freeze it 4 to 6 hours, and they come out simply like this.
The magic of television.
I know, the magic of television. And you have little mini popsicles, and customizable specifically to your children, but healthy, good protein, and fun. And
so much fun.
Yes, get the kiddos involved, absolutely.
All right, of course, we will always put the recipe on our website. Kaiti, thank you.
For sure.
We'll be right back.
Thanks.